Kung ikaw ay naninigarilyo o naninigarilyo dati, this message might save your life. Kahit tumigil ka na, hindi pa tapos ang risk mo. At ang problema, lung cancer madalas tahimik hanggang huli na.
Dum, 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 dum. Welcome to Everything About Cancer with Doc Fred Ting.
New episode every Wednesday.
And Saturday.
Hi everyone, I'm Doc Fred Ting, your medical oncologist, and welcome to Everything About Cancer, kung saan tinatanggal natin ang takot sa pamamagitan ng tamang kaalaman. Let me explain this simply. Lung cancer, kadalasang nadedetect late. Why? Dahil sa umpisa, wala itong sintomas. Walang ubo, walang sakit, walang warning signs. Kaya pag may simptomas na, madalas advanced stage na. Pero may paraan para mahuli ito ng maaga. Low-dose CT scan. Hindi ito ordinaryong chest x-ray. Mas sensitibo, mas detalyado ang images, mas maagang nakakakita ng cancer. At ang pinakaimportante sa lahat, kaya nitong makita ang maliliit na bukol bago pa ito magdulot ng sintomas. So sino ang dapat magpa-low dose CT? Mga high risk na individuals, current smokers, former smokers, usually aged 50 years old and above, and with significant smoking history. Kung ikaw ay kabilang dito, importante na magpatingin ka sa inyong doktor. Hindi ito para sa lahat, pero para sa tamang pasyente, this is life-saving. May mga natatakot dahil sa radiation. Let's be clear, low-dose CT means mababa ang radiation, controlled at safe kapag recommended. At kung ikukumpara sa benefit, mas mataas ang tsansa na mailigtas ang buhay mo. Sa clinical practice ko, marami akong nakitang kaso ng lung cancer na late na nadedetect. At ang common na sinasabi sa akin ng pasyente, Doc, wala naman akong nararamdaman. Exactly. That is why screening matters. So here's the important message. Your past does not define your future. In cancer and in life. Kaya kung may risk ka, may pagkakataon ka pa rin na maagapan ito. Do not wait for symptoms and take that step today. And always remember, let your faith be stronger than your fears because cancer is not a death sentence and there is always hope. Thank you for watching Everything About Cancer with me, Doc Fred Ting. If you found this episode helpful, please like this video, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to the channel so we can spread accurate and reliable information about cancer to more people. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming episodes. And always remember, let your faith be stronger than your fears because cancer is not a death sentence and there is always hope. Again, I'm Doc Fred Ting, and see you in the next episode of Everything About Cancer.
Dum, 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 dum. Welcome to Everything About Cancer with Doc Fred Ting.
New episode every Wednesday.
And Saturday.